Mileage 141,83823. Morning.
Hello.
Hey, I've got a trailer with a super wide single. It needs to be, the tire needs to be changed.
Okay. You have a Petro, TA, or an Ultra One card? Slide it right on there. With John with Well Companies.
Yes, ma'am.
Tractor 41059.
Yes, ma'am.
And how are you paying?
They have an account. Probably a national account, whatever. That Mojo thing that they do. I'm a professional steering wheel holder.
And you said that was on the trailer, right?
Yeah.
What's the trailer number?
Passenger side front.
Trailer number?
11104.
That sounded like a question.
Yep, 04.
Okay. And a rough guess on what your mileage is?
141,823.1. Just kidding.
Right front. Now is it flat, blown, or just?
No, the steel, it's worn out. The steel is really showing up. It's not blown.
See, I thought you said needed replaced, but I figured they'd ask. I have no idea.
How many of these do you sell in a year? I can't imagine buying something like this.
I think I've sold maybe one or two, but that's not been in. That it's been a while since I sold them. All right.
People probably buy it as a toy, not a tool, right?
Yeah, because that's kind of. I couldn't see attempting to carry something like that around. You know what I mean? I
Yeah.
need a flashlight, and it's like, hold it with two hands, like a big bazooka or something.
I used to be a big fan of mag lights, but with the new LED coming out, man, flashlights is really got, really different now.
Yeah.
A lot smaller, a lot brighter.
Okay. All right. Al, you got anything in here? You been happy, huh?
We're adding also with the system, we've got a fully amplified sub that's going to go into the seat, right along with our 6-disc
You
changer.
are.
So this is going to get wired up. The one thing you got to make sure is if you've got a 6-volt system and a 12-volt stereo.
Hey, Paul, it's Randy over here, Petro in Effingham, Illinois. I have trailer 11104. He actually pulled in here. He's got a right front super single needing replaced. Got cord showing on it.
Yeah, what's impressive though is some of the same names that you've seen,
I know he did.
75 years ago,
41059.
right, man. So we put a little pop on the outside, you put a stereo on the inside. You have a Miley Cyrus CD in there? I got your Miley Cyrus CD. I'm hitting the road, bro. I'm on the road like a record ball. I'm joining the race team, the Federated Kenny Schrader race team up the street. Yeah, you're going to be on that race team? Yeah. We're going to take this truck. You're going to get a bunch of old tires. You're going to take them somewhere. Keep talking, man. You keep talking. I'll be driving. Keep dreaming.
Hey, John.
One at a time. I'll be driving.
Did you send them in a message or call them or anything?
Nope.
Okay. They said you have to call him. So. He said he didn't get a message in or anything like that. Yeah. Yep. Hold on just a sec.
Hello.
Hey, Willie, man. You made it? All right.
Did I do
Good morning, Paul.
Expect to do Al tucked into that now. I don't know if I did it right or. Well, crap. Hit B. B, okay. That's down, find them, make sure you're on.
VOLJ1.
B. Did you do this report? Okay. Now it's plugged in. I know he was because I saw it.
I don't think he ever did clock into it.
Well, I swore he did.
Yes.
Guess I would have swore a lie.
Huh? Lorraine? My wife? No. Yeah, my name is Volrad. Lorraine is Volca something. Lorraine is old enough to be my grandmother. Well, I'm a young pup. Yes. I have a super single that the steel belts are already popping out. Passenger front trailer.
One of the things I've always liked about covering racing is the opportunity to talk to a hot young kid on the way up, and then all those years later, being
All right, here you go.
for them, it's a great
Oh.
pleasure to have Kyle Larson here. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm glad we
Yeah.
did this. It's a good deal you're back on stage talking about racing. So,
Still enjoying life for it.
yeah, missed it. So,
Okay.
Let's get the kid thing out of the way right up front. How old are you?
I'm 21.
Where do you
I
need
have
that
big
sent to?
kids, but I'm a legal.
What do we end up doing the tires to, Al?
Okay.
Al's not in. Yeah. Good, that's cool. Your resume is incredible for its breadth and for all the achievements for a guy your age. That's what I've seen. Can you rattle off the top of your head?
Okay.
All the different kinds of cars you've raced?
Well, yeah, I started out with go-karts, outlaw karts, and then ran 360 sprint cars,
Okay.
410 sprint cars, midget silver crown cars, late model, or late models.
Alrighty.
Sprint cup.
Thank you.
Really
Mhm,
fortunate,
bye.
I guess, to get all these opportunities with great car owners and really good equipment. So
Yes.
it's been a pretty amazing journey. I'm only 21 and I got to race all these different types of cars. So.
Okay, now we have to save these.
Yes.
Did you see this on here?
Accomplishments. It runs 2.5
What?
minutes.
We have to save.
They want you to take a picture and send it over?
Yeah.
Holy moly. Make sure you get the good side. Or in this case, the worst of part.
Okay, now do you have the cell phone number?
You know, I can understand. On their side, they have a lot of fraudulent claims, so.
I have to say the sweeping the four crown at Eldora was probably the toughest, just because you run 3 different types of cars that are really different, in one night.